What's up, YouTube? Like, subscribe, hit that bell, share this video, share my channel. Got a cold sore ingrowing hair. I don't know what the fuck it is, but that's just annoying. So, we cooking. It's gonna be my first time doing frozen chicken wings sections in the air fryer. So this is what I got. So I got herbed olive oil chicken wings. I'm gonna open it up. I have my air fryer opened up. Figure out where I can sit y'all down at. I'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, we got them in there. Got 7 of them in there. Just testing this out. Like I said, I haven't done it before. I don't want to do all of them and waste it. So, put it in there. Close it. Let's get this puppy turned on. Set the temp to 390 for... I don't know, 35 minutes. We'll test it. I'll look at it when it's like halfway through. See, I got the air fryer button on, set to 35, at the temp to 390. We'll go ahead and start. I got my Xbox on and my TV. They don't pull too much power. My CB going off on me. So, I got my TV plugged up over there on the power strip so I can have the TV on and the Xbox on. So, it's really pissing me off. Self-conscious about that, I guess. But anyway, so yeah, once it's done, I will get back to y'all. See how everything goes. And this week I am heading to Sioux City, Iowa, and then somewhere in Minnesota. And hopefully I can get everything. It's a 2-pick 2-drop. I got to drop this off in Sioux City, pick up a load at the same spot I'm dropping off at, and then deliver it to Minnesota. So hopefully I can get all that done Friday so I can get another load on me and gross out where I want. With this load, it's only $6,700, which is good, but since I'm running on shitty recaps for 2 days of the week, I'm not making it there on the time frame that they wanted me to, and I told them I wasn't going to. And they're working with me on it, so hopefully I can get everything done Friday, at least get under another load before the end of day, or before midnight Friday. So we'll see. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so I did them for 35 minutes. They were burnt to shit. So good thing I didn't cook the whole fucking bag. Now I got 7 more in there at 18 minutes. Still at 390 degrees. And hopefully that'll work. If not, I'm going the fuck to bed. I'll be back in 16.5 minutes. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely much better. They are good looking chicken wings, man. Hard than hell, that's for sure. But that was like 18 minutes. And now to wash this out, I just grab a jug of water, pour water in there, slosh it around, get at least the bigger stuff off of it, and then I get dish soap, my sponge, clean it all up, and then rinse it out every many times I need to. Sometimes I actually take it in the shower with me. However y'all want to do it. But yeah, there we go. It's time for me to eat.